Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve transaction error on 8-ball ball. To know how to fix or how to solve transaction error on 8-ball ball, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to 8-ball ball. When you find this list of app info, you will enter to for stop and we click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about 8-ball ball. When you'll find it, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.